Hello Abdul. We have here a projector, Panasonic PD-12000, 12,000 actually, and we have to make a basic maintenance which requires first cleaning the air filter. Can you please demonstrate how to do that?
Yes. Okay. This is our projector. Now I'm gonna remove the air filter. This is the air filter at the bottom of the projector. We need to only unscrew this one. And now our air filter is open. Now we can take it out. Now we need to do we need to clean it with air compressor, because sometimes it takes a lot of dust and the projector makes error, which the error is U14. This belongs to this air filter. For that, removing that error, we need to undust the air filter and put it back.
Okay, thank you.